Understanding international legal protections is crucial in today's interconnected world. It involves the rights and obligations of individuals and states on a global scale. By knowing one's rights under international law, individuals can navigate cross-border issues, seek assistance, and advocate for justice. This introduction sets the stage for delving into the specific legal frameworks and protections that apply universally, irrespective of national boundaries. It emphasizes the empowerment that comes with being informed about international legal protections, which in turn fosters a more just and equitable global community. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights, adopted in 1948, serves as a foundational document that outlines fundamental human rights and freedoms. It encompasses civil, political, social, and economic rights, emphasizing the universality of human rights across all nations. Additionally, the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights sets forth key rights such as the right to life, freedom of speech, and the right to a fair trial. These documents form the cornerstone of international human rights law, providing a framework for protecting individuals from human rights violations worldwide. Exploring basic human rights under international law reveals a set of universally recognized rights essential for human dignity and well-being. These rights encompass civil, political, social, economic, and cultural dimensions, addressing areas such as freedom of expression, education, healthcare, and work. Understanding how these rights apply globally equips individuals to identify violations and advocate for their protection. It underscores the principle that human rights are inherent to all individuals, regardless of nationality, ethnicity, or other characteristics, and emphasizes the responsibility of states to uphold these rights within their jurisdictions. International legal frameworks provide robust protections against discrimination based on race, gender, religion, and other factors. These protections are enshrined in various international treaties and conventions, emphasizing the right to equality and non-discrimination. By understanding these legal safeguards, individuals can challenge discriminatory practices and policies that infringe upon their rights. This topic highlights the universal commitment to combating discrimination and promoting inclusive societies, irrespective of individual characteristics. It underscores the significance of legal frameworks in fostering environments where all individuals are treated with dignity, respect, and equality under the law. Legal protections for refugees and asylum seekers under international law encompass the principle of non-refoulement, which prohibits the return of individuals to countries where they may face persecution or threats to their lives. These safeguards also involve access to asylum procedures, the right to seek and enjoy asylum from persecution, and protection from arbitrary detention. Understanding these legal provisions is essential in advocating for the rights and dignity of individuals forced to flee their countries. It underscores the global commitment to providing refuge and support to those fleeing persecution and conflict, irrespective of national boundaries. Enforcement mechanisms for international legal protections involve reporting mechanisms to international human rights bodies, treaty monitoring bodies, and regional human rights courts. These mechanisms play a crucial role in holding states and non-state actors accountable for human rights violations. Understanding these enforcement avenues empowers individuals and organizations to seek redress for violations, shine a light on systemic issues, and advocate for justice. It highlights the interconnected nature of global human rights and the mechanisms in place to ensure compliance and accountability at the international level, fostering a culture of respect for human rights around the world. Empowering individuals to assert their rights under international law involves providing practical tips and resources for navigating legal frameworks and seeking redress for violations. This includes raising awareness about available support systems, legal aid services, and advocacy networks. Additionally, it encompasses guidance on documenting and reporting human rights abuses, accessing relevant international bodies, and utilizing digital tools for amplifying their voices. Understanding these practical strategies equips individuals to advocate for their rights effectively and navigate complex international legal processes, fostering a culture of accountability and empowerment on a global scale.